Hi, welcome to the ChainZilla tutorial series. Today, we'll learn how to use Chameleon Pay to send and receive funds. Before making transactions, you'll need a wallet. If you haven't created a wallet before, watch our other tutorials. The links are in the description. Once you've created your wallet and backed up your 12-word seed, you can start using the app. First, let's get some funds. We need to tap Add Coin and pick the cryptocurrency you want to use. For this test, we'll use Litecoin. Enter your wallet password. Once the wallet is activated, let's tap the plus icon and select Receive. Now you should see a string of numbers. This is your public key. You can share it with anyone to receive payments. We can share it by tapping Copy, sending it via email, or sharing the QR code to be scanned by other phones. Once you have received funds, they will appear on your balance and down in the transaction history. Pull down in the transaction history to refresh the list. Once your wallet is funded, you're ready to start spending. In order to spend funds, tap the plus button and select Send. Now you should enter the wallet address that you will be sending funds to or scan a QR code. Specify the amount in cryptocurrency or fiat. Tap Send and enter your wallet password. The last step is to confirm the transaction. You will receive a transaction ID. You can use your transaction ID to verify payments on the Blockchain Explorer. And that's it. Now you have sent and received funds using a cryptocurrency wallet. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit us at ChainZilla.io for more tutorials and information.